Baby hairs, my most hated baby hairs. They hate me for my baby hairs. They Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on this hair and I'm loving it. This is a 32-inch straight hair from Elva Hair. I have all the descriptions linked down below. Today I'm going to show you guys how I lay and slay my hair. If you guys are interested in watching, keep on watching. Alright y'all, so I've got the wig on my head and I'm just going to go ahead and re-part it because when I originally parted it, I did part it on a mannequin head. So I'm going ahead with my hot comb and just getting that together. I'm going to begin to cut around my ear. And basically it's super easy. You just work around your ear with the scissors, and I'm using some shears that I got from Sally's. So I'm going ahead and doing the other side. So now I'm gonna go ahead and begin to glue down the wig. I'm taking my bold hold lace glue and I'm just going in. I usually do 3 parts of my hair, but today I'm kind of in a rush, so I'm going to be doing the whole perimeter at one time. And I'm only going to be doing 2 thin layers, and that will be it. I don't plan on keeping my hair in for that long, but I do want it to stay nice and like flat and stuck while it is on. So I'm gonna go ahead and begin to apply it. I'm just making sure that there's no strings of hair that is stuck to the glue or anything like that. This just gives it a nice clean install. You guys always got to make sure that there aren't any little hairs stuck underneath those laces, y'all. So I'm going ahead and gluing it down, as you guys can see, pulling out little strings and just tapping it through. And from what you guys can see, like the glue, the lace is melting in perfectly with the glue. Like it melted in beautifully. And this is how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and now pull the lace back, and if there's any parts that need to be glued down still, I'm just basically going over and doing small little touches with glue. Now I'm gonna begin my baby hairs. Baby hairs, my most hated baby hairs. They hate me for my baby hairs. They hate me for my baby hairs. It's the baby hairs. They hate me because my baby hairs be popping. They hate me because my baby hairs be popping. They hate me because my baby hairs be popping. So as you guys can see, I just like to cut it off with a little razor, and then I take my edges toothbrush. The gel that I'm using today is the Got To Be gel, and it's the yellow one. I've been using that gel for a few now, like maybe a few months now. It's just been my go-to. I used it a while back when I first started applying laces, but I'm using it now because it's working for me. So that's what I've been using, and I'm gonna go ahead and basically do the same routine. The reason why I say the baby hairs is most hated because so many people have so much negativities to say about my baby hairs. I got a video right now that's trending about how, and like majority of the comments are because they hate my baby hairs, the baby hairs I done on my clients. But I'm not gonna lie to you, I love my baby hairs and I really don't care who don't like it. Like, it's me. It's my baby hairs. What the hell? But anyways, I'm going ahead and plucking through and just thinning that out. I'm going to go ahead and cut it short at the beginning and let it get longer. And then I'm going to be scooping it with my gel and brushing it into the hairline and brushing it around. So brushing my swoops plus pulling it into the hairline. And I'm just going to continue to do that all around my hair. Now that I finished my baby hairs, I'm going ahead and pressing on my hair hot comb. I'm hot combing it down, and I'm gonna go ahead and brush it out some because it did get tangled throughout me doing my baby hair and plucking it. So now I'm going to basically be showing you guys how I get my part to be clean and crispy. What I'm going to be doing is taking my mascara. As you guys can see at the end of my part, it is a bit over bleached. So I'm going to go ahead and take my mascara and basically close that out. And that is going to basically make it thinner. And I'm just going above the hairline a little bit too. So now after I've done that, I'm going to take my makeup brush. The makeup brush that I'm using is the Bare Minerals foundation powder, and it's in the color 24, and it's lighter than me, so I'm using that for my scalp color, and I just do a couple strokes. And now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm re-pushing up that baby hair part because I like it to have that little push up. I then took my spritz and I'm spraying that all over my hair, and I'm going in with my oil sheen as well. And now I'm brushing that part and slicking it all down. Then I'm going to take my hot comb and just press that out, y'all. And that is how I get my hair to be sleek and perfected. It looks so silky and neat. Like it looks real clean. Like a clean install. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put some oil on my hair. And I'm using the Rusk oil. I'm just getting that so that hair can have more luster and a bit more shine to it. Yes, y'all. This hair from Elva Hair is beautiful. I love it. And it's 32 inches. So this is a 30-inch wig from Elva Hair. I'm going to have all the description linked down in the bio so you guys can get all the details on this hair. As y'all know, I did my baby hairs how I always do my baby hairs. A lot of people hate me for my baby hairs, and a lot of people love me for my baby hairs. So you can't really please everybody, but I love my baby hairs. So everybody else can really kick rocks. But anyways, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. This was actually a really simple, easy wig to apply. I did previously bleach the knots, and that's why the wig blends so easy. And this also is a HD lace, so I didn't really have any issues when it came to blending or anything like that. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, comment down below. Let me know some companies you guys want to see me try out and different looks and all that down below. Thank you guys for watching.